मैंने एक चेंज देखा था अभी कुछ टाइम पहले. देयर वाज अ सर्च इन डिमांड ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न कॉफी.
यस.
और देखो, और हम लोग सारी कहाँ से, भाई चिकमंगलूर, फला स्टेट, ढिकाना स्टेट, सब कुछ साउथ से आ रहा है.
करेक्ट.
एंड दैट टू लाइक अच्छी कॉफी बढ़िया
वेरी
है.
गुड कॉफी.
बट क्या हुआ, मतलब कि व्हाट हैपेंड देयर? आई मीन, पहले तो कोई पूछ ही नहीं था नागा कॉफी को, या फिर नॉर्थ ईस्ट से कोई भी कॉफी, भाई क्या चल रहा था. And more or less, they are producing. I have tasted few coffees in
They're doing good.
great cafes like Ama Cafe. Have you tasted?
Yeah,
I
they're doing
was
good.
I was in Dehradun and I had their coffee. I think there's a brand called Himalayan blend or
Himalayan,
something.
yes.
Himalayan blend, yeah, something like that. Amazing coffee, man.
Yeah, Himalayan brew, I guess. Sir, talking about this again, we should go back to the same roots. Why have we started plantation in the Northeast? It was not the case earlier.
Acha.
I believe this is only possible because of global warming, right? And in India, the geographical conditions to grow a crop like coffee, it's changing very fast because temperatures are rising. We're not able to take care of Arabicas. That is why we are going into topography, which is much more suitable for these plants like Northeast. We surely believe in India, if ऐसा ही चलता रहेगा, we will not be able to grow Arabicas anymore. ठीक है? It's a very serious problem. Really. Because temperature बढ़ जा रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
Pesticides का यूज कहीं भी कुछ भी हो रहा है. Right? Crop संभाल नहीं पा रहे हैं हम.
Okay.
And Arabicas are very difficult, like we said already. ग्रो करना डिफिकल्ट है, उसका केयर करना अलग है, तो वो हो नहीं पा रहा है. तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में भी शिफ्ट ऐसे ही आया बिकॉज हमारी टोपोग्राफी कम पड़ रही थी, राइट? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग वैसे ही आ रहा था, बढ़ गया था, तो पीपल स्टार्टेड प्लांटिंग देयर एज वेल. इवन नाउ व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग, देयर आर मोर प्लेसेस जहाँ पर लोग ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर रहे हैं सो दैट वी कैन गेट मोर क्रॉप, क्योंकि डिमांड तो इंक्रीजिंग है. डिमांड को हम कोई नहीं रोक.
कॉफी भी अच्छी है ना दोस्त?
कॉफी भी अच्छी. एंड one plus point with Northeast is they were not coffee growers altogether. They have just started growing coffee, and they have a very good reference point कि साउथ में हो क्या रहा है एक्चुअली, how are people procuring it. साउथ में जितने भी farmers हैं, they started learning on the go, right? As the trend was changing, they started doing. पहले स्पेशलिटी कॉफीज इतनी नहीं होती थी, बट ट्रेंड आया स्पेशलिटी कॉफीज की, तो उन्होंने अपने प्रोसेसेस को चेंज करना चालू किया. उन्होंने स्पेशलिटी कॉफीज को कैसे संभालना है वो सीखना चालू किया, उसको ग्रो करना चालू किया. बट नॉर्थ ईस्ट के पास एक रेफरेंस पॉइंट आ जाता है कि वो इतने टाइम से कर रहे हैं, एंड हाउ आर दे डूइंग इट. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी न्यू मार्केट इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, बट उनको सीख लिया उन्होंने पहले ही. दैट इज व्हाई दे आर very young and still able to do very good coffees.
But the availability is a challenge these days.
Availability तो सर
मतलब जैसे पहले होती थी अवेलेबिलिटी, कोई ले नहीं रहा था, और अब क्या है कि अवेलेबिलिटी ही नहीं है, वो लोग दे नहीं रहे या प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो रहा इतना. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग?
वही है सर, चेंज इन वेदर, यील्ड्स इतनी नहीं निकल पा रही हैं कॉफीज की, एंड कंजम्पशन इज गोइंग वेरी वेरी हाई. देयर आई श्योरली बिलीव in a few decades we will be drinking more of robustas than arabica. And we will be producing very very good robustas as compared to what we are doing right now. Agar aap dekho, we are like in India, we still grow, the major production is about robusta, but the 70% of it is exported.
Okay.
Right? सब कुछ ही बाहर चला जाता है, हमारे पास पीने के लिए कुछ बच नहीं रहा है, because obviously we are going more towards arabicas.
वो एक सौतेला भेदभाव है ना उसके अंदर, ये प्रॉब्लम है ना, क्योंकि लोगों का दिमाग में है कि हाँ 100% है तो बहुत अच्छा होगा.
ट्रस्ट मी, आई वाज एट द फार्म जस्ट रिसेंटली इन कूर्ग, राइट? दे मेड मी ट्राई 100% रोबस्टा V60. आई लव्ड इट. ऐसा नहीं है
क्या नोट्स निकले?
रोस्ट, इट वाज लाइक डार्क चॉकलेट, a little husky, very strong to my palate. मेरे को एकदम से उठा दिया उसने.
अच्छा.
कैफीन किक जो लोगों को चाहिए.
Yeah, you need coffee like this.
लोगों को चाहिए कैफीन किक.
Sometimes you need it like this.
और लोगों को यही नहीं पता है कि कैफीन किक रोबस्टा में ज्यादा है, अरेबिका में बहुत कम है.
बहुत कम है as compared to
robusta. Still they are going 100% arabica. It's just a
marketing. I think it's a marketing game.
More of marketing game. Yes. तो इसीलिए नॉर्थ ईस्ट थोड़ा बढ़ेगा, एंड within coming days we will be consuming more of robustas within decades. हो सकता है इसमें काफी टाइम लग जाए because we're still growing in coffee, we're learning more coffee, we're experimenting more coffee. तो थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है, बट आने वाले टाइम में अरेबिकास की प्रोडक्शन कम होने वाली है, रोबस्टास की इवेंचुअली बढ़ने वाली है, एंड वी विल हैव टू ड्रिंक रोबस्टास एनी हाउ. एंड इसलिए हमारे फार्मर्स भी बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं, एंड वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग वेरी वेरी गुड रोबस्टा.
Well, that's a good sign, I think. Yeah, I think शायद जितना लोग जानेंगे कॉफ़ी को और थोड़ा टाइम बढ़ेगा, they will understand that the notes which they are looking at, the great coffee which they want, that can be your robusta.
Yes, that can be robusta.
That can be robusta. Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम है ना सर, आप सोचो अगर आप आज भी एक फार्म ऑफ लैंड को विच इज ऑलरेडी ग्रोइंग रोबस्टास, यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू अरेबिकास, इट विल टेक एटलीस्ट 5 years फॉर यू टू गेट योर फर्स्ट हार्वेस्ट, राइट?
सेम एज विद योर ऑर्गेनिक क्रॉप्स, व्हाटएवर.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड आप सोचो, मान लो 5 साल में ट्रेंड ही बदल गया तो आपका सारा क्रॉप खराब
खत्म हो जाएगा.
सो इट्स अ वेरी मच, क्योंकि हमारे हेवीली रोबस्टा प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं हम. अगर हम कोशिश भी करें कि सबको अरेबिकास में कन्वर्ट करें, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. इट बहुत ज़्यादा आपका एफर्ट लगेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च होगा, राइट? एंड स्टिल यू डोंट नो कि कितना अच्छा यील्ड आपका निकलेगा. वो 5 साल बाद जा करके पता चलेगा. तब तक हो सकता है हम रोबस्टास में शिफ्ट हो गए.
करेक्ट.
तो अरेबिकास अगर ज़्यादा ही ऐसे चलेगा तो हम कभी ना कभी ख़त्म हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल यार, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो आप. You're right. I agree. Totally agree, man. Okay. Let's talk about coffee internationally.
Yes. Okay.
What are the coffee which are imported in India, which are loved by people, and जिसकी डिमांड है, सर्च है कि यार चलो यार ये पीना है.
ये तो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया में, बिकॉज सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम इंडिया में है कि वी हैव टू पे 100% टैक्स ऑन वट एवर वी आर इम्पोर्टिंग इन इंडिया.
Oh wow.
So you see, if I'm purchasing a coffee in Ethiopia, let's say, which is costing me somewhere around 800, 900, a specialty coffee I'm talking about, and I want to get it into India, it's only green beans that I'm talking about. 900 rupees, it's costing me there. Then if I get it in India, it becomes 1800. And in that 1800, I'll have to pay GST also.
Wow.
So 2200 for green beans. And it has to go roasting also.
You have to a roaster, then again the roaster will roast.
Then into a cafe. Then cafe
packing.
Any number of things. Then जब तक वो आपके कंज्यूमर तक पहुंचता है, वो आपका एक कप इतना महंगा हो जाता है कि लोगों को लगता है कि क्यों. तो अभी इंटरनेशनल कॉफीज का डिमांड बहुत ही कम है. डिमांड है बट सप्लाई नहीं मिल पा रही है. बहुत ही कम लोग करते हैं. सॉरी.
Have you tasted some coffees from Thailand?
Yes, I have.
What is your feedback on that? I mean, what do you think about it?
Again, they are doing very amazing. Coffees in Thailand है सर, उनका एक अलग, देखो, like we talked about geography. उनके जोग्राफिकल जो नोट्स हैं वो ही इतने ब्यूटीफुल हैं, राइट? दे डू गुड कॉफीज. उनका कॉफी बहुत अच्छा है.
I recently tasted one of the coffee, which was an instant coffee, in fact.
Instant coffee, yes.
And I was shocked.
Like, sir, just to add to that, अभी हम अरेबिका रोबस्टा की बात कर रहे थे. अगर आप वियतनाम जाओ, राइट, बहुत लोगों को ये हो गया वियतनामीज कॉफी इतनी पॉपुलर है दिल्ली.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
But they don't know they use 100% robustas.
Wow.
In their Vietnamese coffee.
और यहाँ हम बेच रहे हैं सर 100% अराबिका है.
Why man? Why? अब उनका हम पूरा कल्चर डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया है हमने वियतनाम वालों का. So yeah. Yes, you were saying something.
नहीं, वो जो कॉफी थी यार वो बड़ी जबरदस्त थी. I was sitting in their house, one of our client, and he is, I mean, they travel a lot, so they got this coffee from which was an instant coffee, man.
Instant coffee.
Instant coffee ने crazy. I mean, it was tasting beautiful.
Amazing. सर देखिए, again it's a crop, right? अगर आप बेकार क्रॉप लोगे तो भी इंस्टेंट कॉफी बनाई जा सकती है, और अच्छे क्रॉप से भी इंस्टेंट कॉफी बनाई जा सकती है.
I mean, जो हम लोग नेस्कैफे या जो भी मतलब एक्सप्रेस जो भी पी रहे हैं हम लोग, whatever it is the sub-graded coffee which is
a discarded crops that are not into the market. तो
और वो भी है इसके अंदर वो क्या वो शिरोकी यूज करते हैं और चिकरी सॉरी हाँ चिकरी यूज करते हैं. देन अगेन इट्स बिन प्रोसेस्ड, so badly that it is tasting like.
बट ये बहुत बड़ा गैप है मेरे को लगता है मार्केट में कि
हाँ यार, मुझे भी लगता है मतलब
Because-
we are lacking in good instant coffee.
yes, and
There
like,
are few brands.
even if you see recently Nescafe has also trying to get into specialty instant coffees, which Bini is supporting, I believe, and they are also trying to upgrade themselves because we now are emerging as a very heavy coffee drinking nation, right? So there is a need of getting good instant coffees. अगर आप अभी भी researchers को उठा करके देखोगे, ज़्यादातर major market share is in instant coffee only. तो अगर
हाँ नहीं, देखो ये तो है, आप कुछ भी कर लो,
आप उसको
ये
beat नहीं
इसको
कर
नहीं,
सकते,
इसको नहीं आप बीट कर सकते हो.
right? And उसको अगर आपको और आगे बढ़ाना है, so you have to get very very good instant coffees. कुछ लोग कर रहे हैं, they are trying to get their hands on specialty instant coffees, and trust me, बाहर की instant coffees are way better than what we get in India.
Absolutely, I mean that is what opened my eyes.
Yeah,
I was shocked. I was shocked.
and I can
And I was
happily-
instructing. I mean, I was just insisting them that not to give me that coffee because they were saying no. I was at their home, so I thought, and they run a cafe. They run a beautiful cafe called Purkul Cafe.
Purukul, wow.
Beautiful location, man. This is
Dehradun?
Dehradun. This is Dehradun, and this is right in the middle of they're building up a ropeway there. So the location is superb. That's the highest location in Dehradun, I would say. You can see the entire city from there.
Oh wow.
Entire Dehradun you can see from there. And it's a beautiful location, beautiful food. I know the coffee is beautiful. So I was at their house where they offered. I was reluctantly I was saying that don't give it to me. I'm not in the mood or something like that. But they just made it anyways, and I was shocked. I said, "What is this, man? What are you giving me?" ऐसा भी होता है. मैं तो ऐसा भी I was shocked.
ऐसा है सर, बहुत जगह है. लाइक वियतनाम की मैंने बात करी, वियतनाम से भी बहुत बढ़िया इंस्टेंट कॉफीज आपको मिल जाएंगी. Like I'm not able to get hold of the names exactly, but I'll make you try it sometimes. बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कॉफीज मिलेंगी आपको वियतनाम से. Even from Brazil,
हाँ, Brazil यार.
there are amazing instant coffees present there.
और अपना UAE साइड में it is more onto, I think it's what I have tasted is like more onto darker roast.
Darker roasts, yes. They are more into that robust feeling in your mouth. That proper coffee taste.
Coffee taste, yes.
अब मेरे को लगता है the floral notes and these experimental processing जो आ गई है आजकल कॉफी में. This is more, even in India, it is divided into two parts. If I see North India, they are more into these flavor notes like whiskey barrels,
correct,
yeast fermentation, rum barrels.
Yeah,
they like these kind of flavors. But South India में because they are heavily coffee drinkers और उन्होंने हमेशा वो South Indian filter coffee से चालू करा है, तो उनको इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So again, this is a personal preference. Our area, regions, even countries का अपना perception है. And I think हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है इतना yeast fermentation करने की. What is your take on it?
Yeah, I personally like so I come from background of wine. So problem is there. और आप समझ रहे हो मतलब कि it's like for me it is more I need to get some flavors into it. I like that chocolate, nutty, floral, that citrusy notes. I like that.
Yes.
Because that is my palate. Because when we used to when we used to train for wines, we used to train people, it was all about flavors. What do you have to taste? Then the food pairing and everything else happens. Then you need to make cocktails out of it, and then again the flavor profiling and everything else is my palate is that ways. So that is the reason I personally don't like a dark roast.
Yeah, I also don't like dark roasts.
And it is very so to say, like it is very plain.
Yeah.
For me, it doesn't have a character. When you taste a rum barrel, it is giving you those kind of notes which you are, which is eye opening for somebody who has never drank a black coffee or for that matter. या किसी ने आपको रत्नागिरी पिला दिया या फिर आपको कोई चेरी आइस चेरी or something like that, something crazy happens there are beautiful roasters here in Delhi, man. I mean,
They're amazing roasters.
यार एक I tasted this guy's. His name is Tanmay, and he does great coffees, man.
Amazing man he is. He's a very supportive man. Like he's a very very humble man also. Does amazing coffee.
No, great guy, no doubt.
Yeah.
And so to say, the great guy, but again, the coffee speaks for itself. I mean, his coffees are like, you know, bang on, man.
Bang on. Like even if he does the bulk orders or not, he knows his coffee. He knows which coffee to develop at what ratio. He knows which coffee will taste good at which
Absolutely.
roast profile. He's bang on into coffee, and I
Correct.
much appreciate it. ऐसे और भी होने चाहिए roasters country.
यार एक I was traveling I was there for a client meeting in Jodhpur. There's a roaster by the name of the First Crack Coffee Roasters.
I recently tried their micro lot. Oh my god, I was blown away.
Man, this is which one you tried?
It was yeast fermentation again. Like I said, their coffee smells and tastes exactly like a rose. Oh my god, I was blown away by that.
Oh man, and their house blend is also great, man.
Yeah.
Crazy. I tasted it like, you know, maybe like 3 months back or something like that. I was there, and it was such a bang on coffee. It was rightly brewed, and it was just there. The notes was just bang on. What was written in the packet, I got everything.
Yes. This also brings me to the fact that अभी the market में problem क्या है ना, just to cut down the coffee prices, people go towards roasters which are producing in a bulk, right, and which give you like very cheap prices, and experimentation नहीं है cafes में. A lot of cafes taste same. Back in the day, I remember when there were not a lot of roasters. What people used to do is just used to buy coffees from Blue Tokai and then sell their cafes.
Absolutely. भाई लोग सामने लगाते थे यार
Yes.
कि भाई हम ब्लू टोकाई की कॉफी करते हैं.
Yes.
आके पियो.
बट उसका फायदा क्या है? आपके अपना कैरेक्टर नहीं है कैफे का, राइट? आपका you're selling coffee and you're not doing experimentation with the coffee, तो आपको कैरेक्टर ही नहीं है. इसलिए these roasters need to come up, these beautiful roasters who are doing good coffees differently. They're trying experimenting with their coffees and their cup is also tasting good. These need to rise,
Correct.
right? जिस तरह हम बढ़ रहे हैं,
People have to do a lot of cupping sessions, man.
yeah,
I think
people have to taste a lot of coffee.
taste a lot of coffees, and then they will know the difference.
Yeah.
Let's talk about home brewing.
I have a very strong belief that if home brewers इस country में ज़्यादा होंगे, people will start to appreciate coffee more.
बिल्कुल.
They'll start to expect good from a cafe, right? But at the same time, this is a very thin line, right? Whatever you can replicate at home is very different what you can replicate in a cafe.
Absolutely.
You're making like 4 to 5 drinks at home, right? आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों को cater करते हैं, like getting the best water, doing your press correctly, आप अपना puck अच्छे से बना रहे हैं, right? You're preparing your puck, you're using a lot of small equipment, like that WDT, all of that. Then you're pressing it correctly, right? Then you're giving it a particular temperature, particular pressure. All of that is good. That gives you an excellent coffee. But see it in a terms of a cafe,
It takes time, man.
where everything is multiplied like into 1,000 things.
Correct.
I can sort out water, but every time if I take that WTT, give it 2 to 3 spins, every time it becomes difficult for a cafe to replicate.
बिल्कुल.
So home brewers are a way to go. I strongly believe जब तक home brewers जितने बढ़ते रहेंगे, लोग अपने घर के लिए कॉफी बनाते रहेंगे, they'll appreciate cafes more. उनको समझ में आएगा what these cafes are trying to bring a change in the market. But at the same time, they should understand whatever steps that they are following at their home cannot be exactly copied at a cafe setting.
Correct.
तो थोड़ा तो change रहेगा, but it will give you a good impact. That is why we have different machines, no?
Absolutely.
Different tools, different machines to cater.
There is
that
a different
problems.
segment for all your home brewers. There is a different segment which is different from the normal coffee machines which is available in the cafes, which are there in the cafes, which are supposed to be used in a different manner altogether. Again, the grinders also are different. But yes, you rightly said. I mean, home brewing scene is going. I mean, look at the festivals like MCF.
Yes.
Yeah, crazy man. It's a
Crazy.
great vibe. I mean, different people and with all of them coming together, and all of them are coming together to enjoy and celebrate
Coffee together.
That's really nice.
Even the IICF we visited earlier. in
I was there.
Bangalore.
I was there.
Yeah, so it was like I was amazed. There were people who were just coming there. They had a stall just for brewing coffee and
Correct.
just tasting and celebrating coffee. That's all.
That's all.
And I just love these festivals. You know, as a country, right? We are large producers of coffee.
Absolutely.
We are exporting most of our coffees. It has some part to play in our economy also. And
Absolutely.
it has grown to such extents over the decades that we need it should be celebrated anyhow, right? So it's good that Coffee Board of India is taking such initiatives, bringing these festivals. और भी होने चाहिए. Why shouldn't we have a Delhi Coffee Festival?
Why should not be? I mean, there is no reason.
Yeah, होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल होना चाहिए.
अगर हम food
We have got
festivals
Gruff Fest here. You've got different fest here.
why not a
Why
coffee
not
festival?
coffee
Let's
fest?
plan on that.
Yeah, we can talk to a few
Guys,
people.
let's get a Delhi Coffee Festival soon.
That is supposed to happen. I think
Yeah.
that's long due.
Yeah.
And we can have neighboring cities like Jaipur participating into it. Jaipur का नाम ले लिया इतनी बार, but Jaipur is crazy, man.
Crazy coffee.
Crazy
scene.
coffee scene. Just, I mean, people who don't know about, they want to learn anything in the field of coffee. Please, my humble request: go to Jaipur, spend 4 or 5 days there. Go to different cafes. It is crazy. It is.
Correct. Even Dehradun for that matter.
हाँ, Dehradun is getting crazy, man. Dehradun में बढ़िया हो रहा है.
बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है. दिल्ली को भी थोड़ा बैक पीछे है दिल्ली.
Yeah, actually मुझे लगता है
We are heavy drinkers.
no, not heavy drinkers, but again, it is very vast. For that matter, Jaipur and Dehradun, geographically it's a closed scenario. I mean, it's lesser. It is densely. Both of them are densely populated.
Yes.
But again, the area-wise, when you talk about the geography of it, it is not that far. So anything
Yeah.
like when you're starting from in Jaipur, you're staying anywhere, it might not take you more than 30-40 minutes.
Yeah.
For us living in Delhi, 30-40 minutes is a luxury.
3 kilometers.
It's a luxury, right?
Yeah.
यहाँ पर रहेंगे हम 30-40. If I tell you I'm coming in 30 minutes, 40 minutes, it means that I'm nearby.
Yeah.
You consider it nearby. They consider it is very far.
Exactly. One more reason I can believe so, just like we were talking about these home brewers. See, anywhere we see specialty coffee, it's not a quick service restaurant. Guys, specialty coffee cafe is never a quick QSR. If you're going to a specialty coffee, थोड़ा time दो. You'll get a good
बिल्कुल.
coffee. क्या आपको लगता है कि देख जैसे देहरादून और जयपुर में they are considered to be slow markets
Correct.
as compared to Delhi जहाँ पर लोग बस भगदड़ में लगे हुए हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Do you also think इसलिए दिल्ली में स्पेशलिटी कॉफी ज़्यादा नहीं है as compared to जयपुर और दिल्ली? Can it be a reason?
यार आई थिंक लोगों के पास टाइम होना चाहिए किसी चीज को सेवर करने का. एंड स्पेशलिटी कॉफी इज समथिंग व्हिच यू हैव टू स्पेंड सम टाइम.
Yes.
हम बात करें देहरादून की या फिर जयपुर की या किसी भी 2 टायर सिटी की जिसके अंदर कॉफी सीन एक्सप्लोर कर रहा है. अब उसको आप कंसिडर करोगे तो इसमें ये है कि लोगों के पास में एटलीस्ट 9 to 6 के बाद में टाइम है.
Correct.
या फिर कोई लेट भी स्टार्ट कर रहा है तो दे हैव अ स्मॉल डे बेसिकली. या फॉर द मैटर जोधपुर हो गया या फिर अजमेर हो गया या फिर पुष्कर हो गया. यहाँ हर जगह पे या ऋषिकेश फॉर द मैटर यहाँ पर लोगों के पास में टाइम है. दे कम देयर टू एंजॉय थिंग्स. और ये जल्दबाजी की चीज़ नहीं है.
करेक्ट. मतलब तो सेवर करो बैठो.
हाँ मतलब आपको टाइम लगता है यार एक पोर ओवर पीने के लिए. वो बोल देते हैं वो आपको पहले ही बोल देते हैं कि भाई इफ यू आर ऑर्डरिंग अ पोर ओवर गिव अस 10 minutes टू एटलीस्ट प्रिपेयर.
यस एटलीस्ट. हाँ वही. अब वो दिल्ली में एवरीबॉडी इज इन अ फास्ट मूविंग
है या फिर लोग आ रहे हैं They are everybody is busy. Traffic is an issue. You have to reach somewhere. Like, somebody who's living in Noida will never go to some cafe in Vasant Kunj.
Yeah, exactly. They would prefer more
है ना?
कि नोएडा में हो, like
भाई मेरे को अगर मैं नोएडा में हूँ तो मैं शायद रोस्ट्री या को लोकल या फिर मे बी अ टैन कॉफ़ी मे बी आई मीन नॉट दैट आई मीन दे आर I mean, the coffee is not that excellent, but again, I mean, whatever it is, जो भी है मतलब कि आप वहीं जाना पसंद करोगे ना.
correct. So मतलब it's you can have more of quantity than quality.
It is about geography at the end of the day. It is more like जब हम बात कर रहे हैं कि यार अब किसी ने जो somebody who's sitting in गुड़गांव उसको नहीं पता कि यार ग्रेटर नोएडा के अंदर कौन सा बेकर है.
Correct.
है ना. तो वो चीज़ धीरे धीरे सॉल्व हो जाती है विद टाइम एंड when people expand their business, when they open multiple branches, when they grow their business, that's a different thing altogether. Then they are able to taste. But अगर नहीं है वो चीज़ तो फिर आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आने के लिए कैसे करोगे?
Yes, correct.
So Amish, I have brought a rapid fire for you.
For sure.
Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Should I start?
Yes, you should. You can start.
पक्का देख ले.
Done.
Okay. चिकमंगलूर और कूर्ग.
Chikmagalur.
Oat milk, almond milk.
No, fresh milk.
Most overrated coffee trend.
Omakase.
Really? Why?
I believe keep it simple. Yes, experiment, but not very rapidly. Like experiment in the span of months. At least give some drink at least 2-3 months, 6 months to get it out.
Instant coffee, a necessary evil or a guilty pleasure?
Necessary evil.
Okay. Okay. If you had to name a coffee mocktail after Bollywood celebrity, what it would be?
Coffee margarita.
Okay.
Or after who, like someone spicy.
Yeah. Okay.
Like what, Sunny Leone maybe?
Oh my God. That's not a Bollywood celebrity, man. That's somebody else. Robusta, is it finally getting the respect it deserves, or is Arabica still the king?
Arabica is still the king, but I think Robusta should get what it deserves.
Best city in India for a cafe crawl right now?
If I have to talk about North, Jaipur.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. That's very nice. Will AI ever be able to roast a bean better than a human?
At some
Yes,
point,
no.
yes. Some point, no, because I
Oh,
believe
come on. Yeah, you have to say yes or no.
if
Then you have to explain.
majorly no, because yes, at some point हो जाएगा, consistent करने के लिए हो जाएगा, but experimentation कैसे होगा, right?
Good point. Good point. Your desert island brew method: pour over or AeroPress?
Pour over V60s works the best.
Okay. You don't like AeroPresses?
I do like AeroPresses, but pour over for me is like yoga.
Okay. Describe the future of Indian coffee in exact 3 words.
Long way to go.
Oh wow, that's a good one. That's a great one. Well, so that was a great session and
Thank
great
you so much. I
time.
loved it.
We had a great time. I think discussing a lot of things. I mean, I don't know what all we covered or what all we could not. I mean, that was a great rapid fire round also.
Yes,
And
thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for coming
Thank you so
down
much.
and giving us such a industry's insight and giving us your time. And it's been a pleasure hosting you. And we'll see you again. We'll sit down some other
For
day
sure.
also.
Thank you. It's such a lovely thing. I think these podcasts should be a lot more in contention now, because as the cafes culture and these cultures are more getting into the frame, people should not only talk about success stories. They should also talk about the backstories,
Correct.
the operational things, the hardworking things. वो भी limelight में आना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So thank you for calling me. Thank you for hosting me. It was a pleasure.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, we'll see you very soon, guys, with another round of podcasting episode. And thank you so much for watching. Yeah.
Live serious है, मैं नहीं.